In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Photoshop presets. If you rely on custom brushes, actions, workspaces, and other saved settings, backing them up is essential, especially before moving to a new computer or reinstalling Photoshop. I'll walk you through two approaches: the built-in beginner-friendly method inside Photoshop and an advanced manual backup for power users who want full control. Let's start with the simplest approach, done directly in Photoshop. With Photoshop open, head to the Edit menu at the top, choose Presets, and then select Import Export Presets. To create a backup, choose Export Presets. You can select specific items, but choosing all presets ensures you don't miss anything. Click Export and save the file to a clearly labeled Safe folder, ideally on an external drive or a cloud location. Adding the date to the folder name can make future restores easier to identify. Later, if you reset your computer or reinstall Photoshop, open Photoshop again, go back to Edit Presets and select Import Presets. Choose the preset files you exported earlier and click Import. Your brushes, actions, and other presets will repopulate exactly as before. Now, for the advanced method, which gives you a complete manual backup of the underlying preset folders, first make sure Photoshop is fully closed so all files are unlocked. Open File Explorer and navigate to this path: c/users/your username /appdata/roaming/adobe Photoshop version. Inside, you'll see folders such as presets, brushes, actions, workspaces, thumbnails, and other files that store your custom settings. To back everything up, select the preset-related folders and copy them to your backup location or an external drive. This copies the raw data, which can be especially useful if you maintain several versions or want a granular restore. When you're ready to restore after reinstalling Photoshop, return to the same folder path: c/users your username /appdata/roaming/adobe Photoshop version. Paste your backed up folders here. If Windows prompts you to replace files, choose Replace, since the goal is to overwrite the default empty or factory folders with your saved ones. Finally, open Photoshop, create a new document, and verify that your brushes, actions, workspaces, and thumbnails are back where you expect them. If you keep consistent folder names and versions, restoration should be seamless. And that's it. Your Photoshop presets are safely exported, imported, and restored. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.